This is Mr. Victor Idule for 1000 experts. I'm an investor in 1000 experts and networker as well. Yeah, today I'm about to show you how you can simply get a Bitcoin for your registration on 1000 experts. A do it yourself method. If you are a newbie to 1000 experts, all you need to do is to request for the username of the persons that introduce you to 1000 experts and get yourself registered with these simple steps. Let's go ahead and let me show you how you can possibly do this. First of all, this is localbitcoin.com, where a peer-to-peer website where you can get your Bitcoin, where you can actually buy Bitcoin. Now, as you can see the page is as simple as this. Look at it. As simple as this. This is where you can actually get your Bitcoin whenever you want, you need Bitcoin. It's a simple website that you can actually get your Bitcoin. It is called localbitcoins.com. You can see it over here. This is it. Localbitcoins.com. When you are able to access the site just like this, all you need to do is to sign up for free. First of all, sign up for free and uh, you'll get yourself registered, filling out your details. Let me clean up sign up. As you can see, this is just a simple form that you are going to fill. Type in your username, type in your email, a valid email address. I suggest you use a separate email for this. Type in your password that you wish to use on this platform. Type the password again. Verify that you are a human being, that you are not a robot. Then click on registration. As you do that, an email will be sent to you where you confirm your email address in your registration. But right now, I'm not going to fill out this form because I'm already a registered member of local Bitcoin for some time now. I'm going to log in. I'm going to log in on my back office, to my back office. Let me click on login. As you can see, this is my username and my password is already there. Yes, my Chrome have already done the job for me. So I have to verify that I am not a robot, that I'm a human being. It is being verified. As you can see, it is being marked good. All I need to do now is to click on login. Yes, this is what we know as two-factor authenticator. First of all, when you get yourself registered, the two-factor authenticator will not be there for you to verify first before you log in. You will be required to do your two-factor authenticator. For those that have been online for some time now, you can know what two-factor authenticator is. Right now, I'm going to my downloaded authenticator on my phone and get the code there. Let me type in the code right away. Uh, yes, Okay, 76. Okay, and click on verify. You can now be able to get, access your back office. This is for security purpose so that no one can access your back office except you. How do you get your two-factor authenticator? All you need to do when you get yourself registered on local Bitcoin, go to your profile, go and edit your profile. Sorry, yes, go to profile, click on security, edit your basic profile, click on security. Once you click on security, you will see where it is being you are being asked. It said this is third party apps can do trades for you on local Bitcoin. No, this is not what we are looking for. This is not what we are looking for. Edit security option. Okay, this is it. Security. Under security, you'll be asked. There's so many verification you have to do. First of all, you have to verify your email, verify your phone number. As you can see here, I've already done all this. I've already done all this. Verify your email, verify your phone number, then security. Under security, already my security is strong. Now they're asking me if I want to edit it. I don't want to edit it. Assuming I've not done my security, my two-factor authenticator, you'll be asked to to create your two-factor authenticator. You can then click on the link under here and create your two-factor authenticator. Before that, you must have downloaded your Google Authenticator to your phone, to your Android phone, your iPhone, whatever you have, to your phone. As from Android phone, you can use that for such uh, uh, download. Okay, but as a newbie, once you get yourself registered, you might not require all this. You might not be required. Needing all this for the moment. What you need to do quickly, because you need your Bitcoin that particular day so that you can get yourself registered on 1000 experts. What you need to do is to click on buy Bitcoin at the top left here. Buy Bitcoin. Now there are so many people here. Look at it. Buy Bitcoin online in Nigeria. If you are from other countries, you will see it indicating there from your country, not Nigeria. You will see it indicating there your country. If you are from Kenya, Ghana, uh, name it, wherever you are, you see your country's name here where Nigeria is. Okay, so first of all, what you do, quick buy. Look at this tab here. It says quick buy for you to be able to get the quotation, the amount you want to buy as fast as possible instead of you searching here. There are two ways you can do it. One is through the quick buy. You can just type in the amount you want to buy, let's say $50. But remember, local Bitcoin, they do charges whenever you want to send your Bitcoin out of your back office, out of your balance. Whenever you want to take out Bitcoin from here, they charge you some certain amount. And whenever you want to deposit, they charge you some certain fee. So whatever you are doing, you need to add an extra. Please, if you are buying $50, make sure you buy $55. Make sure you buy $55 worth of Bitcoin. $55. No, sorry, this is Nigerian currency. Look at it here. Take note, please. Since you are in Nigeria, all you need to do first of all, you need to do some calculation. You need to go and know how much, or the best simple way to do this, yes, is to visit. You need to go to BTC to dollars. Okay, BTC to dollar, so that you can know what you needed. Now, this is the calculation. Bitcoin is below $10,000 as we speak. You can see the price over there. What you need to do is to type in $55 here, and you can now get, sorry, that is Bitcoin. Type in $55 at the US dollar segment. You can now get the number of Bitcoin you require. You can now get the number. So you need 0.1 Bitcoin. You need 0.01 Bitcoin. Wow. Let's see. Let me do something here. I'm coming. Okay. So let's say 0.07. 0.007. Now, but for a safer one, please always type in on the US dollar segment. $55 is 0.01. So all you need to do, go back to your local Bitcoin. Search here at the buy Bitcoin online segment. Just go down there, look at the people over here. You can see that they are telling you, what does it mean? You can see the names of the people that are selling here by your left, from your left. You can see the names of the people selling here. Now, I want to explain something a little bit briefly here. Whenever you see any person's usernames here and they are telling you 100 plus and 100%, 100 plus means this person have done a trade of over 100 plus, and he has been given a trade mark of 100%. That means this person, you can buy from this person with a guarantee of 100%. Then this star here you are seeing, when you look at it, I am putting my mouse there. It says typically replies within 30 minutes. That will tell you he replies within 30 minutes. That is why the star is showing yellow color here. That's why the star is in yellow color. But this person here, the star here is green. That means the person answer within minutes. So whenever you want to buy, always check all these things. This is Ziki by name. 20,000 plus transactions that this person have done. Can you imagine? This person is somebody that has been on this peer-to-peer trade website for long. Okay, I will show you something else. Now, this person is so bold enough to put his number here that you can actually call him or her and tell her you need Bitcoin, that the person should go online. I'm online. He says I'm online, and look at it. Actually, he's online right now. So whenever you click on his, whenever you want to buy from this person, he's always online. You can call him through one of these numbers. He's putting 2 phone numbers here. You can call him and tell him that you want to buy Bitcoin from him, that he should be online for you guys to carry out the transaction. And quickly, I'm sure I've bought Bitcoin from this particular person several times, and this person is good to take with. Uh, Also, if you before you can do some other things with such person, for you to verify more, you can click and open this person's details to see the details of this person. So let me do it quickly. Let me open it on another tab. Ziki, okay. As you can see here, Ziki, look at Ziki information. As I told you, like I told you, trade volume 500 plus Bitcoin. Imagine this. This person have traded a total of over 500 Bitcoins. Number of confirmation trade over 20,000 plus. Wow. With 6,655 different partners. Traded with different people of 6,655. Feedback score 100%. Real name verified. Real name verification 8, 6 trusted verification and 1 verification. Now you can see all this. How long has this person been here? First purchase was 1 year, 2 months ago. Now accounts created 1 year, 2 months ago. You can see this. Last seen just now is online. Is online as we speak. So whenever you want to do anything with anyone, you can just first of all click on his username to see the person's details, and everything about this person you can know up here. You can know here. Now, okay, you can see what I'm talking about. Trust. Does this mean? He has been trusted by over 500 plus people. Blocked. Yes. This doesn't mean he's not good. Blocked by 13 people. And he's a pro trader. Yes. So, okay, are you guys following up? Now, you can scroll down and see what people are saying about him or her. This person is saying very fast, active. I love trading with him. Okay. Uh, Trustworthy and honest trader, pays immediately. Wow. This person sold Bitcoin to him. So you can see what people are saying about him. If you want to see more feedback, you can click on more feedback for Ziki here and get to know what people are saying more about him. So that is it. How to know whom you are buying from, if it's a trusted seller to trade with. You can see some of his trade that is on right now. You can just go ahead and buy with this person. So let's go now. Before you buy with this person, first of all, you must look at this year over here, the price of the Bitcoin and the limit. This limit indicates that he will not sell below 10,000 naira. You can see it here, 10,000 naira to 123,000 naira. The Bitcoin he's having in his wallet right now is not more than 123,000 naira. So you cannot buy anything more than 123,000 naira from him right now. And you cannot buy anything below 10,000 naira from him. So let's go ahead and click on buy. This is it. All you need to do is online right now. It's online. So what you need to do, just type in the Bitcoin, 0.01 Bitcoin is above 30,000 naira. But this Bitcoin, as I speak, is above $50 for you to be on a safer side. But as well, with what I know, let us check again once more. Type in Bitcoin of 0.01. Let's retype it again. 0.01. What we are getting here is $82. Sorry to say, $82. So for you to get the actual $55 you are looking for, you need to type 0.007. And what are we having here? $58. So the best is to type in the number of Bitcoin rather than the US dollar. So with $58, go back to the local Bitcoin, type in 0.007, and this gives us 21,516 naira. I think this is what we need. This is what we need. So what next you do is type in your, tell him, just message him here that please, your bank details. Just simple message here. Once you do this and send to this person, once you do this and send to this person, let me click send here. I'm not going to buy, but I want to show you how it works. Once you do this and send to this person, a message, look at it, success. Your contact to the advertiser is sent. Watch your email. Now you will also be emailed that the contact have been sent to this particular person. Look at it here. This is your contact, the trade ID. This is it. Buying using number of Bitcoin for 21,516 naira with buying from advertisement dash dash dash. Transfer with specific bank by ZK at the exchange rate of social. You can get it. Now, trade status, waiting for buyer to confirm payment. What you need to do, once you type in his account details here, you will see the message below. Once you type it, once you receive the message, all you need to do is to, yes, he has sent this, you can see it right now. You can see it. Immediately you have sent his bank details. His name is Victor Ajabo, Diamond Bank, 0095796089. You can see what I am just explaining right now. So what you do quickly, you have been given some certain time to do this payment. You are giving some certain time. You are giving 88 minutes. You are having, it is 90 minutes you will be giving, but now it is left with 88 minutes. And as the time keep reducing, you need to make the payment as fast as possible before this time elapses. What you need to do is to make the transaction, make the payment through your mobile transfer app that you are having with your bank. So after making the payment, you need to click on I have paid to confirm that you have paid. Please don't do this mistake. Make sure you click on I have paid. Look at it here. Look at it here. Make sure you click on I have paid and click on confirm that you have paid. Then a message will be sent to him that you have paid, that he should release your Bitcoin to you. And immediately he does that. Look at it. This person is always online. Like I told you, once you see green here, know that the person is always online. Now look at it. He said, go ahead and make payments. He have sent me his bank details, and he's also saying I should go ahead and make payments. So this person, within just 5 to 10 minutes, if your payment will hit his account as fast as possible, this person will release your Bitcoin for you. So immediately you release the Bitcoin, at the top left here, you will see your Bitcoin. At the top right, at the top right, you will see your Bitcoin here, as mine is here right now. I'm having just some fraction of Bitcoin. As mine is here right now, you will see it hitting there. So guys, this is how to buy Bitcoin. And once I will not go ahead and make this payment. If you don't want to go ahead and trade with this person, please this is where you do some you resolve the issue. Now, let me make one thing clear. For you to for me to clear up some doubts that will be in your mind. The doubt will be, will this person be able to send me my Bitcoin that I'm paying for? Yes, this person will send you your Bitcoin. This is how it works. Local Bitcoin is a third is a peer-to-peer website where people buy and sell Bitcoin. But the local Bitcoin admin, what they do here is they stand as the third party here, as an escrow. Since I've clicked on I want to buy, that certain amount, that 0.007 worth of Bitcoin have been seized from his wallet, has been held from his wallet. He cannot access that Bitcoin again. Rather, you cannot also access it. So the admin is the one holding on to that number of Bitcoin you want to purchase right now. So if he doesn't release that Bitcoin, if he doesn't click on release on his at his back office right now, there's a button that he is supposed to click on release Bitcoin. But if he refuses to do that, you don't have any fear. You don't have any cause for alarm. All you need to do, when this time elapses, this 85 minutes elapse, what you need to do, when you click on I have paid, another minute time will be given to him for him to release the Bitcoin to you. But if he refuses to release Bitcoin, the time elapse, you will need to click on resolve trade issue and click on dispute. You will need to click on dispute. Before that, immediately you make your payment, please screenshot your transaction. Always remember to do this. Any payment does on this platform, please screenshot it, because it might be of use. It might be of use because if the person refuses to send you your Bitcoin, to release your Bitcoin to you, admin will, when you click on dispute or when you go on dispute, admin will request for confirmation. You need to submit your confirmation that your proof, I mean to say, your proof that you make such payment. So that screenshot will be uploaded right here. Look at it. There is a place you can actually upload something. Look at it, attached document. So you need to upload your proof of payment here and send here. Admin will now come into this issue. Admin will actually come into this particular dispute. You will see admin chatting with you guys here the way you see him chatting with you. Admin will be included here and ask you people some few questions. Admin might tell you upload your proof of payment. Also ask the seller to upload his bank details or whatsoever. So they will surely go deep down to make sure they resolve this issue amicably and everyone will go home smiling. Where issue comes up is when your bank is unable to dispose out your payments as fast as possible to the person you are making payments to. That always brings some kind of problem. If not, the system is a powerful system where everybody buy and sell Bitcoin. So that is that. So remember to always screenshot your payments for future use whenever it's being needed, and remember to mark your payment that you have paid. Remember to mark it paid and confirm that you have paid for your Bitcoin to be released, to notify the person in the system, also the admin, that you have paid. If you don't mark it that you have paid, admin will not accept it that you have paid. Admin will not know that you have paid. No one will. Your money can just go if you don't mark it that I have paid. It takes the grace for a good person. If that person is a good person, even if you don't mark, before you mark I have paid, the person will just release your Bitcoin. But if you don't mark I have paid, those bad eggs in this system might just go with your money. They will just wait until the time elapses And if they don't see you mark it as I have paid, they will go with your money. So always remember to mark I have paid. Hmm? Now look at it, it's waiting for me. Hello, are you there? Are you paying or not? Please don't lock my coins. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? He said, now, what is this telling us? The admin have locked that particular amount of coins, 0.007. Admin have locked it now. He cannot access that coin again. That is how these systems work. So please guys, don't be afraid of trading. In anything in life today, there is risk. But the risk here is very, very minimal. You trade on this platform successful. You don't have any fear. The admin here have locked this coin. This person cannot access this coin. If you mark I have paid and he refuse to release the coin to you, admin will not release that coin back to him. Not until admin find out the truth on this trade. Admin will now release it to whoever that is supposed to, this coin is supposed to be given to. So right now, I'm not going to lock his coin. I'm going to release back his coin by canceling the trade. But before then, let me just send a little message to him that please, I'm sorry. What should I say? What should I say? Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I am sorry. Guys, I'm sorry. Sorry. My app refused to work. Let me just do some live there so that you can have some rest mind. My app refused to work. Okay, it's sent. Let me cancel the trade for him. You see it? Now say, are you sure you want to cancel the trade? Make a mistake payment or want to try another seller. Never cancel if you have already paid seller. Okay, please, this system, that's why I love this system. You have been told not to cancel if you have made payment to the seller, because they cannot, admin cannot go and refund back that money to you if you have made payment. So don't cancel it. So I have not made payments, I'm free to cancel. Let me cancel it right now. Okay, yes, confirm. I'm canceling it. Okay, so this person, Bitcoin has been released back to him. I've cancelled the trade. Admin is no longer locking it again. The Bitcoin has been released back to him automatically because I've cancelled the trade. So that is how to buy Bitcoin from localbitcoin.com. And then for you to send out your Bitcoin, what you need to do after purchasing your Bitcoin, what you need to do is to click on this Bitcoin you are seeing here, or click on wallet. Look at it, wallet. On the menu there, click on wallet. As you can see here, there are three segments here, three menu here. Send Bitcoin, receive Bitcoin, transactions. Now, if you want to receive Bitcoin, click on receive Bitcoin. When you click on receive Bitcoin, this is your wallet address that you need to copy, and this is it. You need to copy it and send to whoever that wants to send Bitcoin to you. For those of us that want to use our Bitcoin local Bitcoin wallet address to receive Bitcoin from 1000 experts, this is where you get your wallet address and go and paste it and update it on 1000 experts. And whenever you are being paid, you see your Bitcoin on your local Bitcoin wallet here, as you are seeing this little fraction of Bitcoin in my account right now. So let me go to send Bitcoin. No, transaction. This is the total transaction. You can see most of the transaction that I've done. That will tell you I've been here for some time now. You can see some of the transaction that I've done. Next page. Let me click on okay. No, look at the transaction that I've done. Okay, okay. This is the transaction that I've done. Let's go to send button. How to send Bitcoin out of uh from your local Bitcoin wallet. As you can see here, in your wallet you have so this amount. I am having this amount. Now transaction fee is this. You can send up to this. So as you can see here, their transaction they are telling you the amount they are charging over here. You can just do some, let's do some practical and see how much this charges is here right now. Let's go to Bitcoin to dollar and see how much this charges is. It's not, it's 0.77 cents, it's just 77 cents they are charging me on that particular uh, 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 number of Bitcoin in my wallet. Let me see how much I'm having in my wallet. Just having some fraction here. Just $2. Okay, so but that doesn't mean the charges rate is high. It's because I'm having just a very small amount of uh, Bitcoin here. So all you need to do is to copy this, paste it here in the amount of Bitcoin, type in the go and copy the wallet you want to send Bitcoin to from Bitcoin. Okay, first of all, I think I have to do this. Let's go to 1000 experts so that we can know what we are doing. We can know what we are doing. Now, I have to go to 1000 experts. Yes, this is 1000 experts. Once you are given, once you log into 1000 expert page, this is 1000 expert page. You click on sign up. Let me click on sign up so that you guys can see what I'm doing here. Sign up. Sign up. I want to click on sign up, sorry. Sorry, I'm coming. Let me refresh the page. It's been down for some time now. Once you click on sign up, yes. Once you click on sign up, this is what you will see. A new tab will come up where you'll be asked to choose your package. You'll be asked to choose your package. What you need to do, if you don't have uh, money to make your or any money in your Bitcoin wallet right now, you can sign up for free for now. But if you have, click on whatever package you want to choose. Let's as you can see, we have $50, 250, 500, 1000, 2000, 5000, and 10,000. Whatever package you know you can go for, choose any of them by clicking on sign up. Now let's go with the $50 sign up package. I'm using the $50 as an example. What you do here is to type in, always request for your upline, whoever that is introducing you to 1000 experts, always request for the person's username. So I will type in my user As you can see, this is my name. The person's name will come up. Always make sure the person's name come up for you to verify if the person, that is the person's account. I'll type in my name. Let me type in my name. I just want to do some quick way of registration here. Uh, okay, do it. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, as you can see here. Now, this ID, if you don't have any ID, please type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever you want to type, just type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, state. I'll type in Delta State. Select your city. Let me type in. Doing some for you to, please don't take this address. This is not my real address. Reference, you can leave the page of reference. Email, let me just type in email. Confirm email. I'm doing just a quick, if I just want to do something so that you guys can see how to make payments. Telephone 8166121106. This is one important aspect. Please, whenever you are typing in your telephone number, just type in the telephone number. Before you type in, remember +234 is there. Go ahead and start with 81 or 80 if that is your number. 8166121106. Just type in your complete number, but it will not show here. What you will see that the number will not be completed here. Just ignore it and go ahead and complete your registration. Username, the username you want to use. Let me just type in Robert. Password. Now, one important aspect also, valid users. What does this mean? That means the Lovett is available for you to use as your username. But if it shows invalid users, that means other persons have already selected Lovett as a username. So right now it is valid user. That means this username, I can use it. Please take note of this. Let's go ahead. Password. Type in your password again. Are you following up, guys? You can go back and replay this, rewatch this video whenever you want to register yourself. So this is it now. We are having two way of making payment, two methods of making payments right now. Look at your package, which is a $50 package. We are having two methods of making payment. This MSX wallet is same thing as paying with Bitcoin. Voucher, we all know, is something like voucher. If you need voucher, you can request voucher from your upline. Your upline can now use its earnings to buy voucher from his back office and send you the voucher. All you need to do is to copy and paste the voucher there and click go. Immediately your account will be activated. But now we are not going to use voucher. We are using the Bitcoin. Please, I will also advise, let us not go for vulture at all. There's some certain reason why I'm saying this. You might not know now, but for now, please, nobody should use vulture payment. Please, I repeat, nobody should use vulture payment. Always use MSX wallet, which is the Bitcoin method of paying. And remember to click on I have read and accept your terms and conditions. Then send your details. They say I should check field, the password field, 8 characters. Okay, I should make it 8. Okay, your password, that means it should not be less than 8 characters. Always take note. Okay, sorry, I did it with numbers alone. They don't want numbers alone. They need you to mix it up. Okay, so please take note. Please take note. What is going on? These guys, they should allow me to. Please, this is very sensitive. Always make sure what you are doing is correct. Always make sure your password matches. That's what they are telling me. My password does not match. Does not match it. Ah, okay. Let me try it again. I'm going to type it again. I think this time around it was successful. It is successful. Okay. Yes. We are going ahead now. Okay. This is successful. This account is successful. What are we doing next? This is just a page to confirm your details and your payment. As you can see, receiver data, your data. This is 1000 expert receiver data. As you can see. So what you do, just to scroll down, click on generate code for the payment. Bitcoin. You are about to generate the code or wallet address that you are paying into. So let's click on generate code. Are you guys seeing it? Yes. Remember when we were searching for the $50, we searched for 0.01 and the amount was outrageous. But now you can see what we are having here, exactly what we proposed, 0.0616120. So what you need to do, first of all, copy the wallet address here. Please take note, there is a time attached to this. There's a time attached to this. You need to make sure you are fast on this. Already, we have our local Bitcoin wallet ready there. Copy it, go to your local Bitcoin, paste the address there, then come here also. Again, copy this number of Bitcoin. Don't fail at all. Make sure you copy this number of Bitcoin. You must copy it. Don't go and type it. Copy exact what is here. Copy it. And if you are using phone, you can type. But if you are using system, it's easy to copy. Even phone, you can copy. Please take note. You can also copy this. Copy, go to your local Bitcoin, paste it there also. Paste it there also. And as you paste, you can now confirm your payment, your transaction in local Bitcoin. Immediately this payment goes through at your local Bitcoin. On this page, automatically it will receive payment and confirm it for you that the payment has been received. All you need to do is to wait for blockchain confirmation. And once blockchain confirmation is done, your account is being activated. And this doesn't take more than, well, with the blockchain confirmation issue now, I don't think it will take more than 30 minutes, at most 30 minutes. Your account will be activated immediately. 30 minutes to at most 1 hour because of the blockchain problem we're having, Bitcoin blockchain. But at the same time, in the next few minutes, 30 minutes to 1 hour, you can go back and log in. You will see that your account was successfully or has been successfully activated. So guys, this is it. You can all see that it's very simple to get yourself registered on 1000 Expert. Thanks guys. I'll be stopping here. If you want to register, quickly get in touch with me on my Facebook page. As you all know, always remember to like the page, share the opportunity to your friends and family. Share the opportunity to your friends and family, and you will be happy you did. You'll be happy you did. You'll be happy you did. Okay. So always remember to contact me whenever you're having any challenge, and I'm always there to support you. I've named my humble self Victor Edunem, the 1000 Experts Networker. Thanks and God bless you.